Well, I guess I'm done. Do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
I do what I want now, but I'm gonna ask you. Is it this one?
Yeah, one with the bow on it.
Should I open it or not?
Mom.
I'm gonna save that. I'm scared. Is it an animal? Why is there holes in the box?
Mom, she knows. We have to take it back now.
What the heck is this? Did you get those out of the closet?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? Are you recording me?
No? What else you got in there?
Dalton, I don't look good right now. Quit.
Okay. You can have your hood on.
What is this?
A half box of tacks.
Wow.
You got half box of tacks. This little,
Yeah, it's all your stuff.
and a little, I don't know what these are.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Well, thanks.
You have to admit it's funny.
Don't forget your tags.
I'm good on that.
Here you go, sis.
I really could have waited for that, Dalton.
You know what? A half box of tacks and some gloves. And this little gel thing. Meow. Bye.